my love, it make you feel like you fly. The mother girl, they know I'm your guy. The mother man, them they know say you're mine, but still I dey vex if they try. I say no other man come near to my price. I say no other man come near to my price. I say no other man come near to my price. Girl, your love, it make me feel like I'm high. You say my love, it make you feel like you fly. The mother girl, they know I'm your guy. The mother man, them they know say you're mine, but still I dey vex if they.
Hi guys, this is just a quick video. Oh, my hair and here. But yeah, I'm just doing a quick video. This is something I've been seeing quite a lot, so I thought I'll do it to see obviously if there is any kind of difference, seeing as obviously my teeth is normally white anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna use active charcoal, activated charcoal, and I'm also going to use some baking powder. I'm going to also use a little bit of water. I'm going to put it in a cup and then after this brush my teeth with it. Okay, so I've taken 1 capsule of the activated charcoal, and I have taken less than a teaspoon of the bicarbonate soda, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. I might even add a little bit of my actual normal toothpaste, just so that obviously my teeth is used to something that I'm about to use on my mouth. Just mix it in. Here we go. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's done any difference, to be honest. Obviously, I don't know how long you're supposed to be doing it for in order to get a difference or a change. It's so much smoother than normally when I put just toothpaste in my mouth. So that's a plus sign. I think I see a little change actually, because normally when I brush my teeth, just stand and brush my teeth, that's all I do. But my teeth is normally white, standard white. But at times when I've like brushed my teeth quite often or a lot in one day, I would get like, it'd be like kind of yellowy kind of type thing, like I've brushed off the actual varnish or whatever it is, the enamel on my teeth. But yeah, I think it's alright. I think it's shiny. It's like I've just went to the dentist and got my teeth done, cleaned. So yeah, I'm gonna try this for 5 days, 4 to 5 days, and then see if there's an actual difference and see if there's actually more of a change, because the back of my teeth, boy, so I know something I like it. So yeah, just thought I'd do a quick video because obviously everyone keeps on going on about this whole lemon and activated charcoal, and I wasn't trying to put no lemon in my teeth to burn out my gums, so I thought I'd use the bicarbonate soda and the activated charcoal with my normal toothpaste. The normal toothpaste I normally use is either McLean or I use Oral-B, or Colgate, but Colgate, I'm starting to come off of Colgate now because I'm hearing loads of shit that's in that Colgate thing, so I'm not even trying to mash up my teeth, no one of my teeth looking yellow. So yeah, that's the results. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll wait. Subscribe yet? Okay, so yeah, thank you, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to leave a comment if you wish to leave a comment or ask any questions or request another video.